channel. So today I'll come up with you with the advanced SQL topic, that is Windows function. So in Windows function there are many kind of operations. There are many kind of divisions like aggregation and value based. So today we will show how row number works. Row number in the sense like if you have the tables with millions of rows, then how you can identify the uniqueness of each rows. So that we will show it here. So in order to go ahead, we are having this employee database. This employee database is very common and open source. If you want this data set, I will give you the link of this data set. Alright, so in this case what we want total number of employee number and their row number. Okay, that is our prime objective. So in order to do that, I will take this column, this table called employees. In this this is the MySQL workbench, and you can see the database is employees and one table is employee. So I will take employee table and I will use employee data base. So I have written this use employee, then hit Control Enter. That means your pop-up, you can see here pop-up will show you the SQL is using employees database. That's clear. So we will use a syntax called select from employee. We have taken this employee table. Now next thing is I will see how many columns are there. Okay, and see there are 6 columns are there, and we want this all employee number and the row number. Okay, so I will use I will write like that, employee number, and for the simplicity I will also take first name then last name. Okay, so this is our standard syntax. So this we have from this table we will fetch employee number, first name and last name. Now we want to give the row number based on employee number. Okay, for example, one employee is having a employee number 1 2 3 4 5, so it's row number 1. Another employee number, row number 2, likewise. So I will use a row number close parenthesis over, then in over I need to give the specific column name by which we want to give the row number. So I want to give based on employee number, uniqueness of employee number. So partition by, I will use partition by employee number. Okay, so it means like if there are one employee and there are one unique name, last name, then it will give me the row number based on employee number. Okay, and here I will give RW number. This is like the column name. Okay, so now I will run this query, Control Enter. So and I will wait for the output. It will take a couple of seconds. So here you can see it has given me the row number 11111 and total row counts are more than 3,24,000. Okay, now my other question is I want to give the row number to each and every employee number. Alright, so in order to do that, what I need to do, I will not give any partition. Okay, I will keep this partition as a blank and I will give enter. Enter in the sense control enter. Control enter. So it will pop up me the total number of rows. So let us wait for a while. It will take a few seconds. So we received this output, and from this output we can see the total number of records are 3,24,000. So these are the total number of records in this employee table. So this is the precise thing which we want to get it. Now second thing, if you have anything in your mind that I want to give the row number based on first name, that means the uniqueness of should be there in the name. So in this case what you need to do, you need to simply put a partition by first name. Okay, so I will copy this code and here I will put partition by first name, and if you want to give the order, then you can also give ordered by last name. Okay, Now it will give you the row number based on this first name. So let me give control enter. Great. So MySQL has given me the output. So I will check what is the last value. Great. So the last value is 258. So what does it means? It means that out of 3 lakhs records, I have given the rank based on the unique name, and their order is by last name. Okay. So in nutshell, the row number works based on the window partition. Window partition in the sense it is similar to the group by, not exactly group by, but similar to the group by. So first you need to give any windows and any orders. Great. So now we will see what is a query here. There is one sample problem. Write a query upon the execution. Assign a row number to all managers. We have information in the employee database regardless of the department. So in this case, we will use a department table and we'll see how many columns are there. So he wants us to give the number of row number to each and every employee number irrespective to the department number. So we'll use a department manager table. So our solution is select from department manager, then here use a employee number, then department number, then we'll take only 2 columns, row number, this is like a window function, row number over, then partition by. Here okay, partition, we don't need any partition because we want for all employees irrespective to this department number. So over, and we'll give row number. This is just an alias row number. So let us hit control enter, and here I have given limit up to 1000 rows. I will put it no limits, so it will show me the correct numbers. Great. So in this case, if we give department number, then the total employees row numbers are 24. Now I will remove this department number, then since department number is no longer required for me, and I will hit control enter by selecting this line of code. So let me wait for a while. Great. So SQL has given me the output. So yeah, so SQL has given me the output. Now I will see how many rows are there. So there are 24 rows which are available in department manager with employee code. So this is our solution. Now second thing is write a query upon the execution. Assign a sequential number for each employee number. Partition the data by employee's first name and order by their last name in ascending order for each partition. So what does it mean to say? It means to say that we will use this which table it is mentioned. It has not mentioned any table, but it has asked first name and last name. So let us check the employees table. Here first name, last name is given. So in this case, I will use select from. You should always follow this context. Select from which table? EMPLOYE, employees. Now the main syntax comes. What is first column which you want to pick up? That is employee number. Next, first name. Second, last name. Yeah. Now next is a row number that we want to give the row number. Okay. Then we will use a over clause, and in this partition, it is mentioned that partition should be employee's first name. So here I will use partition by first name and order by last name, and it should be ascending order. So now I will run this line of code. So let me select this and execute the selected portion. So it is taking some time. Okay, here I have not given any name, so I must give the name, that is row number. Yeah, I have given the name, and I will use this lightning arrow. Great. So here you can see I have given this execution block. In this execution block, I can see the total number of records are 258. Okay. So in the name are filter based on the descending order of last name. Alright. So this is the Windows function. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video.